Hi guys, it's Dionne Smith here, Cantu's natural hair education expert. Today I'm going to be showing you something really exciting, and I'm working with my model Keisha.
Hi.
I'm going to be sharing the redesign of the Cantu Shea Butter range, and I'll be showing you our 5 fan favorites, so stay tuned. So I'm going to look at the packaging, the new packaging. As you can see, we've decided to stay with the Cantu signature color, which is the orange. The products are now color coded. You can see the labels on the bottom of the bottles. So it's really easy to build a routine. So it's the same product that you all know and love. Still very hydrating, nourishing for the hair, and it works across all types of textured hair. Now I'm going to show you how the products work. I'm going to work on one side of Keisha's hair so you can see the difference between the before and the after. So you can see that one side of Keisha's hair, I have damped it down. So I've used my spray water bottle just to enhance her curls. I always find that if you want like really uniform curls or you want to enhance your curls, it's always good to go in with water first. Then you can go in with your comeback curl or, you know, kind of curl product, and then you can go in with your other products. I also wanted to show how Keisha's hair is before. She seems to have 2 kind of curl patterns going on here, Keisha. So it looks like she has one type of curl around the bottom and around the edge, and then in the middle you can see the curl texture is a little bit different. Is that right, Keisha?
Absolutely, it's a lot more dense in the crown of my head.
Yeah. So I'm going to go in first of all with our leave-in conditioner.
I love the smell of this.
Oh, it does smell divine. I want to eat it. So I'm going to just take a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to just work that into Keisha's hair. Just making sure that I get it through everything, the mid-lengths and the ends. Just work that through. I always prefer to do like small sections at a time and go in with a little bit of product at a time, and if I need more product, I'll go in with more afterwards. It's always best to start with less product and work it in, as opposed to going in with more and then having to start again if you've kind of overdone it. So you can see I'm just working that into Keisha's hair texture. Just small amounts at a time, just little amounts of product. And it just really glides through the hair. The hair is absorbing it really well. It feels light as well, it just disappears. So this is almost like our foundation product. This is what you would go in with first, and then you can go in with your styling product afterwards. So this is like the conditioning stage. So I'm gonna just make sure this whole side has the leave-in conditioner on it first. If you find it easier, you can always part your hair into sections, use your sectioning clips, clip bits away. I'm pretty experienced, so I know how to do it freestyle. So Keisha, what's your natural hair routine? How do you get your curls to pop?
So once I've cleansed it, I will grab a leave-in conditioner. Yeah. I love the one that we have here with Cantu. And then to make my curls really pop, I'll use the curl activator. And I'll rake that through with my fingers, and if I want more definition, then I'll use a detangling brush.
And how do you, when you say a detangling brush, you'd like comb it through with the detangling brush?
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's almost like the spring back that creates the curl. And do you do it on damp hair as well, or wet hair?
Oh, always damp, always damp.
Amazing. So you can see there, what I've done is I've worked in the leave-in conditioner, and now I'm going to go in with the curl activator, being as that's her favourite product, and just show you how to enhance her curl texture. So this is the curl activator that I'm going to be using on Keisha's hair. But before I start that, on this occasion, I'm going to actually do it in sections so that I can get more definition and more control over the hair. So I'm going in with my detangling comb. And I'm just going to part her hair into more manageable sections. So I'm going to do about 4 sections on this half of the hair. 2 at the back, 2 at the front. So I'm going to start with this small section first. And then what I will do is I will just go through. I do love finger curling. I know it takes long, but trust me, it's really worth it because you get like really popping curls and they look amazing. So I would normally just do a little finger curl with the product. You can see how that looks so cute. Just enhances the curl texture and the pattern. Have you ever done finger curl, Keisha?
I haven't actually, no.
It's another kind of cool way to like just get the curls to pop. It takes time, but it's so worth it when you see the end result. So guys, if you find that as you're going along the hair is starting to get dry, all you need to do is take your spray water bottle, mist the hair down, just give it a few sprays, it doesn't have to be completely wet, damp it down a little, just to encourage the curls back, and then you still go in with your product and you can continue your finger curling. Because you might find that as you're going along, the hair does start to dry out. Again, this does take a little bit of time, but as you can see, it's worth it. The curls are popping, so stay tuned. So here we are, guys, this is the finished result, and all I've done is I've finger curled this section of her hair, so you can see, turn around Keisha for me darling, all that beautiful curl texture, how it's popping. The difference between the curls here at the front and the back is this is just her natural texture with no manipulation. So all I've done here is I've added the product, it's not dry at this stage, and I've just gone through with my detangling comb just to stretch the hair, and this is just enhancing her natural curl pattern. And this is with a little bit of manipulation, so this is the finger curl, so you can see it's been manipulated slightly just to emphasize that uniformness in her curls. Now I'm going to go ahead and diffuse it, give it a little bit of volume, and I'll come back to you soon. So here we go, guys. You can see that the hair is now dry. It still has an amazing shine, and there's a lot of volume in there. So this is it being diffused. Another trick, if you want to add a bit more volume, is you can take your detangling comb and you can just comb the root up a little bit, and that will just give it, it almost creates like an illusion, makes the hair a little bit bigger. So you don't want to disrupt your curls, but you can just comb like maybe an inch in the root area, and that would just give it even more volume, make it become a lot bigger. It's just a little trick. You can see here how that's just given it a little bit of va-va-voom. But there you have it, the before and the after. Keisha, you need to take a look.
Oh my gosh! Look at the curls. Dionne, they look amazing.
It looks good, right? So this is your finger curl, and then the back is your natural curl pattern enhanced. Can you see how they're popping? Can you see that shine?
That looks amazing.
That's quite nice. Can you take a picture? There we go. So guys, just a reminder that the Cantu Shea Butter range has now been redesigned in the Cantu signature colour. All of the bottles are colour coded, so it will just make it a lot easier for you to build your routine. So do try it out, let us know what you think, and tag us in all your amazing pictures and videos on socials at Cantu Beauty UK. Thanks for watching.